G'day everyone, it's JB from Belmore Digital here with my digital update for this week, Wednesday 29th of October 2025. This week in digital, Google data goes missing, sort of. TikTok changes hands. Ad creatives hit the snooze button. E-commerce teams brace for the Q4 rush. And marketers finally realise that open rate isn't a personality. So let's talk about what really matters before the numbers lie to you. If you want to know the full story, you should read the full post on belmoredigital.com or watch the full-length video on my Belmore Digital YouTube channel. Go on, take a look. And finally, don't forget to like, share, follow and subscribe to Belmore Digital wherever you see this post. Cheers guys, I will talk to you next week. Email metrics beyond the open rate ego trip. It's amazing how much time marketers spend obsessing over open rates, as if 20% open tells the whole story. The reality is that email metrics are only useful when they connect to business outcomes. Open rate, click-through rate, bounce rate, unsubscribe rate, they are all snapshots. The real question is, what happens after the click? Does it lead to a sale, a sign-up, or just a brief flirtation before abandonment? After years of building email programs, I've seen too many teams report success while revenue quietly flatlines. Open rates are easy wins. Understanding intent is where the magic happens. If your clickers aren't converting, you've built curiosity, not trust, and that doesn't pay the bills. If your reports aren't telling you how much each send is worth, it's time to rewire your measurement. Focus on metrics like revenue per email, lead quality per campaign, or customer re-engagement rate. That is what turns inboxes into income streams. Email isn't dead, bad reporting is. If your dashboards are stuck in the opens and clicks era, let's talk about email and customer relationship strategy and build something that makes every send count. TikTok's next chapter, new owners, same algorithm for now. The US government is finally signing off on the long discussed TikTok deal, meaning the platform's ownership and data oversight are shifting into new hands. For marketers, this isn't just political theatre, it's a signal that one of the biggest short-form platforms could be on the verge of real change, especially around data access and algorithm behaviour. Whenever this kind of control shifts, algorithms get twitchy. The ad targeting precision you rely on today might look very different in 6 months. Brands that treat TikTok as their only short-form engine might want to start testing Reels or Shorts while the dust settles. Diversification isn't panic, it's smart insurance. This also serves as a good reminder. Any platform you don't own is a rented channel. You're at the mercy of someone else's terms, code, and politics. Always keep at least one channel in your own control, like your site, your list, or your CRM. If you'd like to build a stronger mix that doesn't collapse when a platform sneezes, explore social media strategy with me. It's time to stop renting all of your marketing real estate. Creative fatigue when good ads go stale. So ad fatigue is real, and most teams only notice it after performance drops off a cliff. You start seeing declining CTRs, rising CPCs, and mysteriously flat ROAS. What's really happening is audience burnout. Your once fresh creative has become wallpaper, and people scroll past it like a forgotten pop-up ad from 2010. The fix isn't more spend, it's better rhythm. Creative rotation should be baked into every campaign, not triggered by panic. When I audit paid accounts, the number one issue I see isn't targeting or copy, it's inertia. The same ad runs for 60 days straight and everyone wonders why it stopped working. Build a simple refresh rule. If CTR drops more than 20% or frequency exceeds 3, it is time to swap creative. A small refresh schedule beats a total overhaul at crisis point. It's marketing hygiene, not art. If your ads have stopped sparking action, let's re-engineer your PPC and paid social advertising plan. Fresh ideas cost less than fatigued impressions. Q4 e-commerce, the calm before the click storm. Every Q4 the same thing happens. Retailers panic, developers scramble, and marketers suddenly remember that their checkout pages haven't been tested since Easter. The fourth quarter isn't just busy, it's brutal, and yet most businesses treat it like a normal month with fairy lights. If you haven't checked your site speed, mobile UX and stock feeds yet, you are already behind. I've seen brilliant campaigns collapse because shipping couldn't keep up or analytics tags broke mid-sale. These aren't creative problems, they are operational cracks that marketing dollars cannot paper over. Use this week to run your final stress tests, audit your checkout flow, review your ad copy, and coordinate fulfillment messaging. If you fix the friction now, your Black Friday weekend will be measured in conversions, not complaints. For a structured conversion-first plan that keeps you profitable through the chaos, have a chat to me about digital strategy and conversion optimization. A few fixes now can save a month of firefighting later. Google Search Console, reporting delay or heart attack? Marketers across the world woke up to missing data in Google Search Console this week. No, your traffic didn't nosedive. Google's reporting pipeline just took a coffee break. The data is still being collected, but it's stuck in transit. Cue 1,000 Slack messages asking, did we break something? The issue isn't catastrophic, but it does highlight a common problem: over-reliance on one platform's data. If your whole reporting cadence hinges on GSC, one hiccup like this can leave you guessing. The smarter move is redundancy. Use GA4, CRM data, or log analytics to keep your pulse steady. The takeaway? Don't treat every dip in a chart like an emergency. Sometimes the system is just lagging, not your strategy. Communicate clearly with your stakeholders so nobody spirals into panic mode before the facts arrive. If your data confidence is a recurring headache, I can help strengthen your reporting stack through analytics and performance consulting, because knowing what's actually happening shouldn't depend on Google's mood. And that is a wrap. Metrics are lagging, algorithms are shifting, and ads are getting tired. But opportunity is still everywhere if you are paying attention. Stay measured, stay adaptable, and don't mistake data delays for disasters. If you are ready to turn these updates into action, let's have a chat. The best digital strategy isn't just built on knowing what's changed, it's built on knowing what to do next. Thanks for watching. If you want to know more, email me at jb@belmoredigital.com or call me on +61 1300 658 335. I'd love it if you subscribe to my channel at Belmore Digital, or you can follow me on any of the socials under the same handle. Use the contact slide that follows to see these details. Cheers, I'll speak to you next week, guys.